garage. This is the little big dummy and the big dummy, or I like to put it just little big dummy. So our sister did a video and now it's our turn. We don't ask questions, we just do what we're told. And so first off, in previous video, we taught you guys how to remove a tint. As we see here, this tint is holding on by threads, if you can see.
Scotch tape.
Yeah. So we're gonna teach...
From the previous owner. I did not do
us.
this. The previous owner did this.
We're gonna teach the big dummy on how to remove tint using a steamer and a blade. But I don't even think we're gonna need a blade here because, as you can see, it's already in pretty rough shape. So with that being said, we're gonna wait for our steam and we'll carry on from there. All right, so first off, we just steam the entire window before you start pulling. Just keep going, start in that corner and get up in the grooves pretty good. And originally, I believe we would start from the top, but because it's ripping from the bottom, we're gonna kind of work backwards here. So you just steam all the seams and just get the window hot beforehand, because it is cold out here. It is about 45 degrees, 40 degrees. But just start hitting that corner. Just kind of working in that area. And with your other hand, try to start pulling it a little bit. It's gonna be hot. But keep the steam on it as you pull. You're getting that corner good. And it actually comes off pretty easy with the steam.
Pretty smooth.
It's almost like removing a plastic wrapping off like a TV screen when you get it.
Yeah.
But just go slow. But this tint is so shot that it's gonna be, don't work from the bottom. Don't go up top. We're gonna roll the window down to get that shot. But as you see, just go slow with the steam and it comes off really easy. Really easy. Just don't rip it. You want to go gentle over here, get closer to it so you're not creating as much tension, and just keep going up with it. And as you get it out of there, just keep working up the window. You just want to be careful within the weather stripping that you don't tear it, because then we got issues. Just go little by little. And it comes up really easy. Compared to the IROC tint, this is really easy. You could crumble it onto itself, so it doesn't come up down overnight. Don't worry it's so high. Worry that way. Worry that way. Worry that way.
It's coming more from there. It's pulling easier from there. See?
But you gotta, just because it's getting the heat. I imagine sitting and doing this for 3 hours in the truck of the island. That's how I spent my Saturday.
That's how long it took?
I didn't even finish. As you can see, just go little by little. Now get in the car and in the steamer and roll the window down about a few inches. I'm gonna keep warming this. That feels good. Oh, no. Good job. That's why I said roll it up onto the stuff. Now this allows it just to easy peel it up. As long as you steam it, it comes right off. Just keep it hot. You don't need to worry about keeping it moving. Just get it hot. Finishing up, I would recommend washing your window I know that when you get a new tint, they're gonna do it, but I would just wash it. Make sure you get the rest of that glue off. Right? Did they put on? It's glued.
No, it's just spray. It's the adhesive already on the tint.
Well, that's what I'm saying, right? You get it off the window. You want to make sure it's nice and clean. But otherwise, that's it. That's today's episode for Axel's Garage. He's gonna have a fishbowl for about a few hours until we get it tinted. But if the big dummy could do it, many of you guys can do it. All you need is like a $20 steamer and a razor blade. But you know, if it's already starting to come off, no need for a razor blade. Just slow and steady wins the race. What else do you have to say?
That is it.
That is it.
A big dummy production.
Yeah, big dummy squared production. There you go. Thanks for watching.